Okay, what I have here is a WS-0251 wire stripper from Newman Trading Company. This stripper here does from 14 gauge to approximately 1.5 inches, which is about 750 MCM, or 2 gauge tray cable or whatnot. You can see there are approximately 11 inputs on this. I believe there are 11. 9 inputs on it for the different size wires. There's a series of cutters and rollers on the front, and on the back there's a series of cutters on the bottom for larger diameter cables, so it cuts both sides. This will do Romex and the such. Works pretty well. I've had no problems with it so far. As you can see, stripped quite a bit. I will show a demonstration of it running with a couple different sets of wires. Okay, this here is going to show a standard 10 gauge THHN wire. Goes in, jackets off. Give a close-up with it coming through with the cutters and the rollers. Works well. This here is a standard piece of 2 gauge THHN building wire, 100 amp. Part of it's finding the right cutter you want to put it in. You can see it made a slit on both sides. Matter of making some adjustments on the wheels. This here is a piece of 6 gauge tray cable, commercial industrial wiring. First you cut the outer jacket, then you cut the inner jackets. Again, a close-up of the outer, the output. There's a little piece of copper cut in the wheel, spits it right out. Basically, at today's prices, you're talking $1 in, $3.20 out. Piece of 350 MCM, large building cable. Try the larger hole first. I can go through the bigger one. Oh, that worked. Right out. If you tighten the wheels up a little more, it'll fall out and the jacket will fall right off of it. Splits it right down both sides. The WS-0251 wire stripper from Newman Trading Company.